Experience Shanghai, China. China sparkles. Step into the dynamic city of Shanghai, where tradition meets modernity. Take in the stunning skyline at the Bund, stroll along the historic streets of the French Concession, and marvel at the futuristic architecture of Pudong. Visit the serene Yuyuan Garden, shop in Nanjing Road, and explore the vibrant nightlife. From traditional tea houses to towering skyscrapers, Shanghai offers a fascinating blend of the old and the new. Discover the magic of Shanghai. Cityscape glowing star.